Take a bite. Cheers. Cheers, guys. Mmm. Delicious. Some mozzarella stick. Dip it in the sauce. See if we even get a cheese pool. Usually when I get these, I don't get cheese pool. But here we go. We're gonna test it out. A little bit of a cheese pool. Mini cheese pool. You never go wrong with mozzarella sticks. The sauce is okay, but it's not bad. And now let's try the nuggets. Another one. Nice and crunchy. Everything tastes good and delicious. Always hits the spot with Burger King. And I chose this as my first video because I haven't had Burger King in a minute. I've been craving some Burger King lately. Not my favorite spot, but they have some good food. Some good items. The Whopper, not a huge fan of. But everything else, the Bacon King is my favorite sandwich to get from Burger King. And also, my name means king. Ray means king. Raina means queen, in case you didn't know. Ooh, that was a little cheese pool. Good cheese pool.